This is a day that I've been looking forward to for years and years. I feel very fortunate to share this video with you today. Hi guys, I cannot tell you guys how excited I am right now. I've been wanting to get an Apple Watch for a very long time and my birthday is coming up. So
purchase it today?
I got Apple Pay or I have the Apple Card. Which one? Because someone gives like 3% back or something.
Yeah, do you guys want to do Awesome.
Take care.
you do. I got the Apple Watch. I just love this package so much. So simple and elegant.
Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. But it's worth it in the end. Because once you get there, you can move mountains.
Okay guys, I'm ready to open this. Are you ready? Okay, let's peel this off first. I don't know about you guys, but I just love peeling off this plastic wrap. Next, you see these two handles right there. We're gonna grab these two. You pull these together. And we're gonna open it. Oh wow, this is so cute. I got the color space gray and black band. Which one should I open it first? This one or that one? Let's open this first. Let's open this one. Let's take a look at this device. This is the back. It has a sensor that reads heart rate. This is the digital crown. I've got a GPS model, so there is no red outline on there. And it's got the instruction of how you use the watch face, digital crown, side button, and charger. This is the Apple charger. Let's open this. Apple Watch has a very unique charging solution that combines MagSafe technology with inductive charging. Now we're gonna open this band box. There's a green arrow on the top, so we're just gonna grab it and pull it. I learned that the sport band is made from a tough, durable sweat and chemical resistant to high performance elastomer, which sounded like really good quality. Okay, let's attach this band to Apple Watch. Just slide it in. Oops, it's the other way around. There you go. Perfect. I got the case because I was afraid to break the screen. I got this from Amazon. Just in case you want to know which one I got, I will put link in my description box. First step is to press this side button to wake your Apple Watch. Then it shows that you need to place your iPhone close to your Apple Watch. and you press continue. After that, it will say put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Oops, I need to update my iPhone. So, make sure that your phone software is up to date. While it's doing a job, I just want to briefly explain to you about Apple Watch Series 3 versus Apple Watch SE, because I was considering to get Series 3, which was the cheapest option I had, but the screen of SE was 30% larger and 1mm slimmer than Series 3. Also, SE has a S5 chip, which is about 2 times faster than S3 chip, and it's got international emergency SOS, compass, and a fall detection, which I don't think I will use it really, but I thought it would be nice to have it in the future. Okay, back to setup. Now, I just want to share with you how this Apple Watch is going to benefit me in my daily life. Numero uno, I can control my iPhone camera with my Apple Watch. I can even see the screen and set a timer. So convenient. Number 2, finding phone button. This is going to save so much time because I usually don't remember where I put my phone. So many times I had to search for it. And now, you just ring this button. There. Amazing. I found it. Hey Siri, can you add egg in my grocery list?
Okay, added.
Number 3, reminder. Whenever I think about something I need to buy, I can just tell Siri simply just raising my wrist close to my mouth, or I could add or edit the list on my watch. Numero 4, I can check my heart rate. Brilliant. Number 5, activity ring. There are 3 types of activity that you can set goals, and if you achieve the goal, then you get rewards icon. I think it motivates me and reminds me to get up and move. Number 6, water reminder. It is so important to be hydrated, and I often forget to drink. And this app called the Water Reminder reminds me to drink water every 2 hours, and I can log how much I drink. Number 7, hand washing. Because of coronavirus, washing hands is so crucial in our daily life. And with the sensor of the Apple Watch, it automatically counts 20 seconds to wash your hands. I find it really useful. Numero 8, Apple TV remote. Now I can just tap my watch for remote. Done. So nice. Number 9, Apple Pay. Now instead of taking my phone out, I can just pay with my Apple Watch. Number 10 is my question. If you have an Apple Watch, how does it benefit you? And if you don't have one and if you really want one, I really hope that you will get it soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye!